Hello ladies and gentlemen, good morning should I say. I don't know what time you're watching the video, but welcome to another vlog on the channel. I am here, if you're a returning viewer, a familiar place, Plymouth Railway Station. My eyes are ruined. I streamed last night, stupidly stayed up for Jake Paul, Mike Tyson. I've barely slept and now I've got to head 5 hours to Cockfosters / Barnet in North London for, well, a locked-in reunion catch-up. Not the official reunion, because that's in a week's time, but we're recording a music video, so I'm off to see them now. It's probably going to take me about 5 hours to get there. I'm going to hop on this train to London, probably get a nap. Right, I better get on. And yes, in shock news, I have done a weekend upgrade. I have got my trusty Argyle pillow. I'm going to need to get my head down. I'm very, very tired. When has that ever happened before on a vlog? But basically, go to Paddington, tube across to King's Cross, Piccadilly line to Cockfosters, the best named station on the network, film the video, go out in London, go home. That's the plan. Also, I'm so happy I've got scum seat. Just to explain, it is one seat and I've got my Crocs on, a load of space. I love it. Love a weekend upgrade. Right, Paddington, that was long. I literally left my house 4.5 hours ago. Long morning, long train, engineering works, but we're here. Anyone that comes to Paddington, this is the worst part, is transferring from the main station to the Hammersmith and City and Circle line. Gonna go down to King's Cross now, hop on the Piccadilly line, head to Cockfosters and go and see the gang. I don't know why I like saying that one, I just do, it's funny, isn't it? The best station on the network, although I know some people also like Mudshoot for some unfamiliar reason. Also, I know I'm going to get some sleep comments. I would like to say I have been better, a lot better, but for some stupid reason I thought that Mike Tyson fighting Jake Paul was going to be a good thing to stay up and watch. For anyone that did watch it, you'll know it wasn't. Any Big Bang Theory fans, I always like seeing up there Sheldon Square, if you know, you know. How we do football vlogs on this channel, get leathered, and then we do random nerdy train stuff. I've never seen a Hammersmith and City line train that terminates at Moorgate before, and tomorrow, to go home, I'm leaving on a GWR train to go to Plymouth from London Euston. Yes, train fans, I know. Never heard of that. Cockfosters. I've just missed one. Why didn't I dive in? Why didn't I dive in for that one? Jesus, done it right there. 1 minute, 10 minutes. Well, it was the first time for everything. The first time I've been to this station. Piccadilly line, it is very picturesque. I did find it quite funny actually that, as I say, I tried to say it when we were in the King's Cross, but it was very loud. It's mad, isn't it? We do these away day vlogs, we go to pubs, we do whatever, and then a little bit of the train, and we just get, I don't know. I'm not a train spotter, by the way. I'm just an enthusiast. That's it. It's a nice station, though. It's quite nice. They get a new Piccadilly line train soon. Right, now I've got to walk to the studio, see the gang. This has been a long day. Plymouth is far from everywhere. Man, this station is glorious, by the way. Like literally glorious. It might be my new favourite station, that. Bloody lovely. Right, I'm in the middle of, well, Cockfosters. Also, I bought a Kinder Bueno, so fancy a snack, no train food. I asked for it, it said £1.50 and I nearly keeled over. I didn't have the heart to tell the lady I'm not paying it, so I bought it instead. £1, that's Thatcher's Britain. £1.50 for a fucking Kinder Bueno, that is a disgrace. I mean, literally, this Gaff couldn't be more in the middle of nowhere. Some of these places I go to, strictly no parking, but someone's hard. It's just a door. What do I do? Do I just go in? Let's open. Hello? Oh shit. Hello. Hi. Get on. Alright? Shit, you made a recording. I'm not interrupting, am I?
No.
How's it going? Look at the tracks. How's it going?
Fine.
Good to see you. How are you, alright?
Hello, how are you?
Lovely to see you. How are you? Okay?
Fine.
Yeah. Good to see you, you alright?
Oh,
how's it going?
This is my mate Cole, by the way.
How you doing, my friend? Pleasure. How's things, mate? You good?
Yeah, go for it.
All this even vlog update. I'm currently having to hold the gimbal because I've dropped and broken another camera. This is the second one that I've done in now. It's broken. Might get a bit of something out of it. I'm going to try and somehow finish the vlog with a broken camera. I am literally holding the camera, but it does work the other way, so I might be able to get a little bit of that reaction. Oh no. Oh, this way it works, Finn. This way works.
Oh, you can see me.
Yeah, but I guess I just have to vlog this way or something for the rest of this one.
And then everyone behind you can see you vlogging.
Oh yeah, wait, so if I do that, you can see me.
I can see you.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, there you go.
This is the second one I've broke, man. Right, I can save a bit for it. The gimbal is broken. Shalene bought, what is this you bought, Shalene? A tequila and Rita. Buzzball. What one did I have? Strawberry and Rita. It's actually done. Mate, I've broken another one. I'm fuming. Literally. Shalene's double denim him. Shalene, I can't even get your double denim in because it's not working properly. I'm fuming. Shalene, I'm trying to show off your double denim and I can't because my thing. Look at it. Look. Is it the diesel? The double denim. I've just had one of them.
Is the camera working again?
It is, Ava, but like it's not really working. It's broken. It's game over. It's literally game over.
Let's see the footage.
No, there is. Yeah, look, that's where you can see that because it's. Yeah, but look, the gimbal is the gimbal. Yeah. That is gonna make it in. The vlog literally was good, and now it's.
You've got to drink this with like the pinky finger out. Like that's how you make it classy.
Oh, there we go. Look.
This is how you make it classy.
That's a classy buzzball. Oh. A classy buzzball. Oh, look at that.
Delicious.
Yeah, that man knows how to do a G-check.
Are you from North?
Yeah, well, just Plymouth, mate. Plymouth, mate. Make it work. I can like hold it here.
Yeah.
Nice. Look how much we've dropped. Shalene has ruined. I don't even know what they can see. Gimbal protection. We don't need that. I don't even know what they can see.
Is that the Osmo?
Yeah. So, yeah, I've broken another, Thomas. I've broken another.
Oh, is it broken?
Yeah, I've dropped it earlier.
How'd you break it?
Yeah, I dropped it. That's the second one I broke.
No, but it looks nice, dude.
There's a second. Yeah, no, it's a great camera, but I broke it. So now we're. Can you see me on that?
Yeah, I can, but it's really good.
Yeah, I broke it.
Yo! And it fits with the lighting as well, because
Yeah,
it's green, yeah. Oh, wait. Exit, gimbal protection.
Buzz, but yeah, just hit exit.
Okay, calm.
It's messed up.
5 face to the buzz balls! We love to do good 5 face, because he's already done it! Clean.
Thank you.
Got the girls there, everyone there.
No, I am already too drunk. It's Shalene's fault. This is. She brought the buzz balls. And I would. No, I'm gonna have to just flip it around like this. This vlog is a shambles, and I'm very sorry. It is all Shalene's fault.
This is the buzzball that part
Yeah.
basically finished.
No, I did not. Where's Thomas? Thomason! That's Thomason and Heather.
When Thomason started drinking that, it was here.
Yeah. Heather had a bit of that for sure. Heather had some. Will. Michael, let me go. Here he is. Michael, I need to pose it. Here we go. Michael, you're on a shoot.
Yep.
Let's have the poses, please.
Here we go. So
First pose, yeah. First up, yeah.
You know about the...
Yeah. Second pose. Serious, yeah. Third one. And then if you got a fourth one, what are we going for? Look at it, look! Hey, this is, I'm going to flip this round if it'll work. Is it Shalene's fault? Oh, it's that way now. No, I'll flip it again.
It's perfect, you've done it.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it's on your, oh, was it good, was it?
It was good for you.
Oh, right, okay, I'll flip it round again.
Go on, you're good.
Yeah.
I couldn't even hold it.
The buzz, but no, it's fine.
Oh no, you've got a
It's broke, mate, the camera.
gimbal protection. Okay, there we go. It's still recording.
I understand the camera's gone. I like to blame
This is
Shalene
Shalene, yeah,
for the
buzz ball.
It's a disgrace.
Go on, Pi. I say you see it off, mate.
Yeah, for you.
Go on, the boy. See it off. Lovely job.
Locked in house.
There we go.
This camera's it's over. I've had 8,000 buzz balls, and we're going out.
We're going out.
To Shoreditch. I don't even. Honestly, at this point, this is just BTS. I think this is vlog BTS. Yeah. I see what's going on. Here's Mr. Finn.
Hello.
Gimbal protection is it's honestly. Eerie. Mate, the vlog's done. The vlog's cut.
Can you be going like this in a music video?
I could do whatever you want, Mr. Jack Joseph. You ask me and I'll do it. Oh, Shilleng there with
The buzzball.
the problem of
We
this
need to get
afternoon.
sponsored by Buzzball.
Big Mike's in the booth. Somehow the camera's still working. We're still standing. Jack Joseph's still standing. Scouse and Thomason are still standing. Ava's still standing. If I flip it around this way, we've had many a beverage. Look at the buzzball. Oh dear. Sorry this vlog is the world's worst vlog because the camera broke. We're going to Shoreditch soon. Having to use my phone, but there you go. Not something you see every day, my friends. A GWR service at London Euston. It's going to be a bit of a anticlimactic outro, but the other camera is done. Basically, I've got scum seat. I've got about 4 hours till I get home. I've lost my pillow. I've lost my hat. I've lost my dignity. I feel absolutely horrendous. So let this be a lesson to you kids. Alcohol is bad. Good night. Also, just to make the situation even better than it is, they've just come over and said there's been a points failure, so the train is now delayed. Well, in shocking and glorious news, we're now off the train because it's been cancelled. So who knows when the next one is? It's supposed to be in 20 odd minutes. Will I make it home? Who knows? Brilliant. So we're still here. Just pain, pain, pain. One day Pieface will make it to bed. What time? We never know. I couldn't even stomach my pasty, honestly. This is pain. My hunch came good. Buzzing with that one. "6 hours later, my friend, and I'm home. Thank you, and good night."